All right, let's talk Google. Um, there's a lot going on with Google, but let's see if I got it right. I think I did. I got all the bullet points for Google. There were not many headlines for Google, so this is just basically a summary of everything that I could pretty much find. So our question really is Google a stock to buy right now in 2025? So Google makes about $1 billion for Google searches, YouTube, that ads, all of that brings in about $1 billion. It also offers the cloud space. They have partnered with Microsoft. They also have AI, self-driven cars, so they've got their hands in that a bit. So let's talk the numbers with Google. Google is a $1.5 trillion company. Let that sink in. Its revenue growth is 10 to 15% annually. Its profit margins is 25 to 20 to 25%. That's how much cash they pretty much have on hand. And then they beat their expectations for earnings quarter after quarter. So that's pretty much, even if you looked at Google as not a stock to buy, the numbers don't lie. Okay. So what else did I find? I'm giving you a bull case and a bear case scenario for, your opinion or your thought process for investing in Google. So the bull case scenario is it's got the AI innovation, it's got the cloud storage, and it's a strong business. For the bear case scenario, regular risk, as all companies should have. The competing in the cloud space of the AI, and that's it. Like, that's it. So if you're looking to invest in Google long term, remember that Google is a blue chip stock company. So it's an aristocrat. It's been there for ages. It clearly is showing a lot of growth potential. Is it a buy right now? I don't know. We'll look at the charts in a minute. It also just got a recent price target. So when these price targets are given out, remember that these price targets are where the stock should be for within the 12 months. So they're giving what they want to see Google trading at. And right now, it is going to be trading between $140 to $180. And I'm going to say it's pretty much like in between that. I'm not sure, but like I said, when you pull the chart, you'll see. So its high price target for the end of the year is $180. So there's a lot of basically money on the table if Google is under $180. Our goal is to figure out where is a good buying point for Google. Okay. So let all that sink in, that it is basically an aristocrat. It's a blue chip stock. It's a $1 trillion company. Its price target is marked for $180, and it's definitely not sitting there yet. So let's see what the charts tell us and where we should be looking to buy this asset. All right. So, like always, we have Google's 4-hour chart. Google's 4-hour chart has a red line and a green line. The red line is my resistance and the green line is my support. So for the red line resistance, we're looking at $207.57. For my support, green line is going to be $166.77. So right there, that is pretty much the window that Google is trading in, between $166 and $207. Now we know that they have given a price target for Google to reach $180 by the end of the year. So This works great for option traders. This works great for investors, because you could go and buy an option with time out, a lot of time on your side, and get it for, with like 175. Don't go for 180, but you could go for 180. There's nothing wrong with that. Just, give yourself a little bit of wiggle room and sit on that option and allow it to basically cook for you. And then obviously, if you are a long-term investor, you would just be adding to your portfolio. But we're not going to be just buying Googl just at crazy prices. We need to find really, really good prices for Googl. So my zones that I'm putting in are going to be $166.77 to $171.69. So that is where I am buying. $166.77 and $171.44. So now ask yourself, is Googl a buy? Googl is a buy. Googl had a crazy downtrend in February. It gapped down. What I mean by gap down, there's a hole in the chart about right here. I'm going to throw a box there. There's a hole. Googl needs to try to reclaim that. But that zone is about $200. So, investing, yes, definitely buy the bottom, sell the top. But right now with the option traders, you can play levels. Look for it to hit out. Let it come back down. Look for it to hit 179. Get out. Look for it to come back. So it's a rinse and repeat type of situation when you are playing these assets that I'm giving you information. All right. So, $1 trillion company. It's got the AI cloud. It's basically beat quarter after quarter. Revenue is good. Sitting at the bottom of the chart right now as we speak. So right now as we speak, it is in the buy zone. So as of today, it is a buying opportunity for me. Now ask yourself, is it a buying opportunity for you? And if it is, capitalize on those gains and make money this year. All right. So if you like this type of content, like, share, subscribe, ring that notification bell so you can see when I'm putting out new videos. And if you want me to review a stock, put it in the comments and I will get to it and do a video. But overall, like I said, Googl is a very, very strong stock. I see nothing wrong with Googl. I like it. This is going to be added to the portfolio if it's not already. I believe it already is. So it depends on what my average cost is on it. But if I got it higher, so if I bought it at, we'll just say $200 as an example, and right now it's sitting at $170, I am going to be looking to buy now more because it's going to bring my average cost down. All right. So see you guys in the next video.